So the AquaDuck is one of the most fun, innovative, and just amazing experiences you can have on a Disney cruise ship. And I've had the pleasure to ride it several times. But if you want to be the very first one to ride it on the entire cruise, here's the 4 things you got to do. Step 1, you need to book online as early as you possibly can. And I'm going to put a link of a step-by-step guide in the comments for you to go. Please feel free to go to the channel. My name is Randy, and I do all kind of cool videos about vacations, cruises, Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, scuba diving, and so on and so forth. That will help you like this video. So step 1, book online as early as you possibly can. You want to be on one of the first people. You want to be in that A group to get on the ship first. That's the first thing. Second thing, when you're in the terminal and you're waiting, you listen to the announcements and you wait for your group to be called. As soon as your group is called, book it. All right? Roll through, get in on the ship as fast as possible. Okay? As soon as you get on the ship, have this conversation with your wife or your spouse.
You can do it yet.
Okay.
You have to do it. You have to go to it, and it's at 3:30. I think.
Oh, I'm gonna do the AquaDuck right now.
Well, the bathrooms are right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the AquaDuck right now.
Okay. I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay. Go to the bathroom, change, provided you have your bathing suit and your rash guard or whatever in your backpack or your carry-on. Okay, that's important, along with your medicine and so on. Anyway, go change in the bathroom, and then here you go. Don't tell me I'm the first one.
You're the first one.
I'm the first one. Yes.
It's okay.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'm the first one. First one. Of course, I'm the first one. First one. Who's the biggest kid on this ship? Right here. Let's rock and roll. Woo! Let's go! Oh, it's a little cold. Woo! Whoa! Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh, no. Oh! Oh! Cool lights. Yes. Yes. I don't know if you can see me, Elisa. Woo! Yeah! Had to be the first one. Oh! I was able to ride it 2 times back to back, and I probably could have rode it 10 times all by myself back to back, simply because nobody else was on. It was barely even on the deck, and nobody was worried about the AquaDuck. Everybody was going to get something to eat. Everybody was worried about their rooms and this, that, and the other. So that's the key. If you want to be the very first one or one of the first people to ride the AquaDuck, okay, on a Disney cruise ship, There you go. Book early, hustle onto the ship, get up to the deck, change, and go right to the AquaDuck. And you too might be able to say, I was the first one to ride the AquaDuck on the entire cruise. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. We got much more tips that we got coming on, much more content coming on. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we will see you on the next one.